Hey everyone, let's dive into the future of manufacturing with a deep look at robotics and automation. We're living in an era where tech is evolving at lightning speed, and the manufacturing industry is no exception. First off, let's talk about robotics. Imagine highly sophisticated machines working tirelessly day and night, crafting products with precision that human hands just can't match. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and AI, allowing them to adapt and learn from their environment. Take, for instance, the automotive industry. Robots are assembling cars with incredible efficiency, reducing errors and increasing the speed of production. This means your next car might be rolling off the assembly line faster than you think. Now, automation. This isn't just about robots, it's about creating a seamless, interconnected system where machines and software work in harmony. Picture a smart factory where every piece of equipment communicates, sharing data to optimize operations in real time. This leads to reduced downtime, lower costs, and higher quality products. One of the coolest advancements is the use of IoT, the Internet of Things. Devices are connected to the internet, collecting and transmitting data to central systems. This data can then be analyzed to predict maintenance needs, prevent breakdowns, and even customize production runs. And let's not forget about AI and machine learning. These technologies enable systems to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Think of it as giving machines a brain. They can now adapt and improve over time, making manufacturing processes more efficient and flexible. But what does this mean for the workforce? While some fear job losses, the reality is that automation creates new opportunities. Skilled workers are needed to develop, manage, and maintain these advanced systems. Plus, it opens up roles in data analysis, cybersecurity, and more. In conclusion, robotics and automation are not just buzzwords. They're the future of manufacturing, driving efficiency, quality, and innovation. The factories of tomorrow are already here, and they're more exciting than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.